A Walmart money order is a prepaid payment method that serves as a secure alternative to cash or personal checks. Think of it as guaranteed funds that you pay for upfront. Walmart money orders are backed by MoneyGram, a trusted financial services company. This partnership ensures reliability and wide acceptance of your money order. As of 2025, Walmart operates over 4,700 locations across the United States, making it one of the largest providers of money order services in the country. You can purchase a money order for a maximum amount of $1,000. This limit helps ensure security and compliance with financial regulations. You can only pay for a Walmart money order using cash or a debit card. Credit cards and personal checks are not accepted for security reasons. Walmart charges a fee between $1 and $1.88 for each money order. Additionally, you may need to show a valid ID for purchases over $300. The first and most critical step is filling out the Pay to the Order of field. This must contain the recipient's full legal name exactly as it appears on their identification. Next, fill out the Purchaser section with your complete information. This includes your full legal name, complete mailing address, and phone number if the form requests it. The memo line is optional, but highly recommended. Use it to note account numbers, invoice numbers, or the purpose of the payment. This helps the recipient identify what the payment is for. Fill out the amount in both the numerical field and written field. These amounts must match exactly. Write clearly and use ink, never pencil, to prevent alterations. Keep your receipt and record the money order number for tracking purposes. Never sign the back of the money order. That space is reserved for the recipient's endorsement.